It's really cold outside. Whatever happened to the weather report they was telling us? I thought this cold front was supposed to finish last night. Yes, I thought so too. That's what I saw on the weather report on TV last night. They never get the weather right. I suppose the wind chill is really bringing down the temperature down, making it cooler than it is. Do you mind if we go inside? I feel like my toes are starting to go numb. I will make us both some warm coffee. That sounds great. Do you have any cookies? For sure. I brought a packet this morning. I will also make a log fire. That sounds wonderful. I like log fires, they are so beautiful. Okay, let's get inside and get warm.